Welcome back, Break Timers. It's the end of the day, so take a break with me and catch up on The Break Show. This segment series is called Monday Be Nice because Mondays, everybody's a little bit nicer. You know, it's Monday. I'm your host, Alencia Williams, a learning pro for over 20 years across industries, career levels, and company sizes, designing learning programs using every kind of tool for interpersonal and software training across the U.S., beginning my career overseas. You can expect commentary on workplace efficiency, tips and reviews on software and gadgets and situations that improve how we share what we learn with one another. In this video, I'm cheering you on in New Year resolutions. Didn't make any? Well, let's see what we can do about that. It's the middle of the month and it may not be your thing, but something good happens when we assert our vision. So let's do this. Most of us are haunted by the adage, you never get a chance to make a first impression. Well, that surely does not mean that only first impressions led to success, or most people would never succeed in a job or a relationship. If you are still showing up to where you are, you're still in this. You can still change the game. You can still be what you were meant to be. If you have already failed on your resolution or you didn't make one, it's not too late. When we make a resolution, it means we resolve to stumble, to fail, and then try again until we get it right. If you can make a resolution, it means you can resolve to take a tumble and keep going, to take a hit and get back up. Maybe we stopped making a good impression. When you think different, you make a new impression, you get new results. Just because you didn't impress, or you didn't start off on the right foot, it doesn't mean you can't dance. It means you need to learn. I have seen a whole classroom of people turn around because I changed me. If you're resolved, then you're not afraid of making the mistakes in order to get better. You might count yourself out, but there's something in you that you were meant to do that is screaming out for you.
What is it you said to the kid? It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. Get up.
Let's go, get up! Rocky, Rocky, Rocky! Show him who you are! I am Prince T'Challa, son of King T'Chaka! You can do this, T'Challa!
And try again. If you are comparing yourself, you lose perspective on what you need to improve. Stop looking left or right. Focus on your own goal. Focus on seeing what you're willing to fail for to get good at what you do. If you don't have a goal in mind, everyone always says, dream big. Now I recommend start very, very, very small. Because when we train ourselves to do something achievable, we're starting to exercise what's called self-mastery. For example, I decided to stop taking second helpings. It was hard, but I did it. I made a decision the next year to cut out all sugar. It was hard, but I did it. The next year, I decided to run a 5K. I ran a couple. And then I decided to run a half marathon. I collapsed at the end. And I ran 3 more. All this time, it was changing other aspects of my life in a very positive way. These choices made other great things happen in my life because I focused on my ability to commit to myself. Charles Duhigg, who wrote The Power of Habit, would call that keystone habit. Wherever you are in your try and fail today, be okay with learning the hard way. Just remember that no matter what, your future you is screaming at you. So get back up and try again. Do daily check-ins with your goals and make a weekly date with your goals because that's how you keep that relationship. What do you believe you can see yourself achieving by the end of 2024? Let's do this. Like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for joining me for Monday Be Nice and Be Motivated with The Break Show.